Hello viewers, most of the time in our schools, colleges or any XYZ institutions we make register, and at the end of the month what we do, we count present, absent, and then we calculate percentage. It's time consuming and expensive, so it's a time of paperless work on fast track. So let's go digital and watch it on the screen. Now the table is already made, so what we do in a table like this, we count 1 2 3 4 and we write present day 4 and 1 absent. In case if it's a huge table or it's a table of large time, so it's difficult to count because it's time consuming and also expensive due to paper use. So it's obsolete, leave it and go digital. We will simply feed formula just once. In total present day, equal sign, start count a formula, start parenthesis, small parenthesis, and give it a range. You can do it with the mouse and also arrow keys with shift key, then comma, and then double inverted comma P for present, and then double inverted comma close, small parenthesis close, press enter. Automatically it calculated a number of present days. Now click the cell, and when the plus sign become narrow, drag it down the entire column, so all column would be calculated. You can see that each and every column has been calculated accurately. Now let's go and find absent. A for absent, again is equal to sign, count F, small parenthesis start, and with the help of the mouse give it a range, which is B3 full column, BF3 comma, double inverted comma, A for absent, and double inverted commas, parenthesis close. Now again click it. When the plus sign become a little narrow, drag it down till end. So now we do have exact information of total present days and total absent days. Now let's suppose we calculate percentage if a person is allowed to be set an exam or he is qualified for any XYZ further. So let's give it again a formula is equal to sign total present days multiplied by 100, and the number of total days are 5, so we will divide the same on 5. Press enter and percentage would be available. Yes, it is. The same way, do it again, press the entire column and you do have the exact calculation in just one click, or you can do it automatically. This is the best way, paperless work, faster work, and it saves a lot of time and energy along with your money. So I hope you would have liked. Please share my video and thanks for watching.